Hello everyone, we are here at Automation Expo and we have with us Dr. Hemal Desai from Endress Hauser. Sir, can you please tell me the major offerings and solutions that Endress Hauser has come up with at Automation Expo?
So this year we are exhibiting a lot of solutions with respect to sustainability. Sustainability is a theme this year in our stall, what you see here. And there are many areas in terms of sustainability, in terms of hydrogen production, in terms of circular economy, in terms of carbon capture, and some of the new innovations which are products which we have come out in the last 2 to 3 years. How these products can be a part of the sustainability drive in any industry.
It's a very interesting theme, sustainability. It's talk of the town. So, can you tell me what was the motive behind choosing this theme, and what are the industries that they are serving to?
I think in last couple of years, sustainability has become an extremely important theme for any industries, especially in India. With our goal of net zero, sustainability plays an extremely important role in process industries. And if you see, almost 95% of our business comes from process industries. So for us, sustainability is like do or die.
How being an pioneer in the measurement technology, how do you see Indian market growing this technology? Like,
Today, if any industry needs to be competitive, it's very important that the business is sustainable in all senses. So not only from an environmental perspective, but even from stability perspective, from financial perspective, because I mean there are many industries who do business, but to do business sustainably, to outlast everybody, and to produce with a profit requires really good amount of automation. And we have seen there's a clear relationship between the amount of automation you do and the profits you make.
measurement and solutions, is where do you think is it needed more?
In all process industries. So when we talk about process industries, we're talking about oil and gas, chemical, food and beverage, life science, including water, wastewater, mining, steel, cement, power. You take any industry where process is there, either continuous or batch. Automation is the buzzword. And if you see last 20 years, maturity in terms of automation in Indian industries have increased by leaps and bounds.
What new technology has Andreas Hauser introduced for especially for the Indian market in last few years?
There are many different types of techniques we have introduced in the Indian market in the last couple of years. As just like to inform you that we have a big manufacturing facility in Aurangabad, which is also responsible for R&D, and whatever we sell here in India, not only in India rather, in the entire APAC region is produced from Aurangabad. And some of the recent developments, for example, I just take one example of heartbeat technology, which is exhibited in our stall outside, is one of the pioneer techniques of what we call predictive maintenance in the process industry.
Apart from the product that you mentioned, what other technologies are displayed here at the stall?
We also have some of the other things. For example, we are pioneers in flow measurement techniques. We are also sort of the one of the first ones to come out with level measurement portfolio. So level, pressure, flow, liquid analysis, gas analyzers. We have recently taken over a company called SICK Sensing, which is basically into gas measurement. And SICK, the gas measurement part is integrated into Endress Hauser since 1st of January this year, 2025. So all the SICK portfolio is also exhibited in our stalls this time.